Welcome. Using this heat map, we utilize the power of over 25 financial metrics to gain a multi-perspective view of the markets, from bonds, stocks, commodities, and Bitcoin. In this video, we'll review the past week's trend movements using our metrics heat map.
Today is Thursday, November 9th. In this update, we are taking a special look at the recent activity around Bitcoin ETF applications. Just this week, Cathie Wood's Ark21 ETF saw expanded engagement with the SEC. Ark submitted additional information to their application, signaling positive back-and-forth dialogue. The possibility of a Bitcoin ETF has been on the minds of crypto investors for years, but the road to approval by the SEC has been anything but straightforward. Today, we are looking at Bitcoin ETF's regulatory progress and why there is renewed optimism that 2023 could finally be the year it happens. Bitcoin ETFs first hit the scene in 2013, when the Winklevoss brothers filed for the Winklevoss Bitcoin Trust. However, regulators did not approve, citing concerns around volatility and potential for manipulation. Over the next several years, the SEC consistently rejected over a dozen different Bitcoin ETF applications from various providers. They maintained worries about liquidity, custody solutions, and overall maturity of Bitcoin markets. Then in 2021, the picture started to shift. In a groundbreaking move, the SEC approved the first Bitcoin futures ETFs from ProShares and other issuers. This was a milestone, as it meant the SEC was finally open to crypto-based investment vehicles. Industry leaders took notice and began preparing new spot Bitcoin ETF filings to capitalize on the changing regulatory environment. Leading asset managers like Ark Invest, VanEck, Valkyrie, and Grayscale submitted applications. Even titans like Fidelity and BlackRock threw their hats into the ring. The sheer volume of applications marked a turning point. With over 10 ETFs vying for approval, the odds were higher than ever before. Now, here in late 2023, Bitcoin ETF anticipation is reaching a fever pitch. The stars may finally be aligning. Significantly, Bitcoin's price has been steadily marching higher over the past weeks, overcoming key resistance levels. This unusual price action indicates consistent underlying buying, rather than euphoric surges. It suggests key players are quietly accumulating Bitcoin. The SEC has opened a window till January 10, 2024 to formally review spot Bitcoin ETFs. In this week, Cathie Wood's Ark. Bitcoin ETF saw expanded engagement with the SEC. Ark submitted additional information to their application, signaling positive back-and-forth dialogue. Analysts estimate a good chance of approval for Ark specifically by Jan 10, 2024. If approved, a Bitcoin ETF would remove the final roadblock to mainstream institutional adoption. Capital inflows could be immense given pent-up demand. Such a seminal event would cement crypto's place in the modern financial system. Warning: nothing is guaranteed. But after a long and turbulent road, a Bitcoin ETF finally looks closer than before. The months ahead will be fascinating to watch.
If you found this video summary useful, please give us a like or consider subscribing. We truly appreciate comments and feedback. That's it for this week's summary. Have a good day.